more of a sitcom person, or are you into drama and action, or are you into horror?
Pratna, I do love sitcoms, but why do you ask that question? How does that matter? It is called the idiot box anyway. You can't learn anything out of it, right?
Who said that you can't learn anything from watching TV? If you pay attention, there are so many financial lessons hidden in some of your favorite TV shows.
Really? You must be kidding, dude.
No, I'm not kidding. Your favorite TV shows might be a reminder to keep your money somewhere safer than a banana stand, or even Tyrion Lannister imploring us to pay all our debts. Either way, there is something to learn for pretty much everyone.
That sounds interesting. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax.
And this is Pratna from ClearTax as well, and here are our top 5 lessons that we learned after binge watching some of our favorite TV shows.
So Pratna, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. If you are a fan of Arrested Development, you may remember Bluth's original frozen banana, a frozen banana stand founded by George Sr. When George Michael, who is George Sr.'s grandson, starts to feel guilty about embezzling bananas, he burns down the entire banana stand, only to find that George Sr. had lined the walls of the stand with $250,000. Don't be like the Bluths and risk losing money in a banana stand fire. Instead, why not put your money in a savings account or a fixed deposit? These accounts can keep your money safe while also accruing a higher percentage of interest.
Schitt's Creek has made a comeback in the list of TV shows that most of us are binging right now. Well, for David Rose, things usually come easy. However, when his family lost all of their money and moved to the town they bought as a joke, David had some learning to do. After acquiring a job at Blau's Barn, David went on a shopping spree using the company card. He assumed that the company would pick up the tab. Luckily, Johnny Rose, who is David's father, stepped in to set him straight. When you spend such high amount using a credit card, don't be like David and expect the money that you spent to be returned.
Pratna, I think I would totally agree with you here. Well, I think most of us have watched Office, right? I feel Dwight Schrute is a dedicated man and also a devoted member of the Dunder Mifflin team. The Office fans know that Dwight loves 3 things: beers, beats, and Battlestar Galactica. For him, the beet farm that he owns with his brother, Mose Schrute, acts as a side hustle to put extra money in his pocket. If you've been looking for a way to make your wallet a little greener, why not find yourself a side hustle? Even if you don't own a beet farm with your brother, you can still find a side hustle that brings in some extra cash. Side hustles don't have to be in your usual line of work, meaning they can sometimes become a fun escape from your 9 to 5 job.
It's true that I don't own a beet farm with my brother, but owning one should surely be so cool. By the way, do you remember when Ron Swanson's first wife Tammy from Parks and Recreation informs him that he is being audited? He hands over his financial records to her and his friends for review. While helping them sort through them, he informs them that among the piles of IOUs and handwritten bills of sales, they will not find any bank records. Ron admits to having heavily invested in gold, which he has buried around their town in Pawnee. While Ron likes to protect his privacy and keep the government out of his business, his methods might not be the best choice. Not being able to produce financial records can hold you back, but so can an uninformed investment.
Pratna, have you watched Game of Thrones?
I am one of the very few people who did not watch it, but thanks to all the hype, I do know the characters.
Well then, you would know the Lannisters. A Lannister always pays his debts, especially when it comes in the form of revenge. Even if your castle isn't built on top of a gold mine or another house resonates more with your financial habits, this iconic line from Game of Thrones is a great reminder to always pay what you owe. If your debt collects for too long without being paid, your credit score could begin paying the price. A bad credit score can make it harder to accomplish goals like buying a home or getting a car loan.
So the next time you find yourself watching TV, listen out for all the advices that might help you improve your financial situation.
Well, this was it for today's video. Comment below if you have any doubts and we will try to reply to it as soon as we can.
Also, what is your favorite TV show? Let us know that in the comment section as well. Also, stay tuned to our channel for more videos like these. Till then, take care and goodbye.